लर्न विथ रजत को आपण स्वागत। आज आम जेटीर प्रैक्टिस सेट आलोचना करवा। जनरल इंग्लिश अच्छी पैसेजटा भल देखी दिंतु। वीडियो को पॉज कर मत देखिपारे पैसेज को। First question is which union minister has presented agriculture infrastructure fund awards in New Delhi? Option number D have Narendra Singh Tomar. Which Indian Institute of Technology IIT has launched the Nilekani Center at Airport in Bharat to promote Indian language technology? Option number C have right answer IIT Madras. Who took away the image of Jinnah from Kalinga? Option number B have right answer Mahapadmananda. The Battle of Plassey was fought in option number A right answer 1757. The Red Cliff Line demarcates the boundary between India and Pakistan. Option B right answer. The southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is option D right answer, north of the equator. How many times a person can be elected as the president of India? Option D right answer, no bar. India was taken the concept of a judicial review from which country's constitution? Option A right answer, United States. The first complete Indian bank was established in which year? Option B right answer, 1811. What is color of light related to? Option A right answer, wavelength. Reasoning ability. What same number must be added to each of the terms 7 and 13 so that the resultant ratio is 2:3? Option number D right answer, 5. It is given below a question by two statements. Number 1 to select. ये देखो ऑप्शन देखो एवं राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर सी 3. If the code देइछि as DQGI, then what is the code of DECOD? Option A right answer, EGFSIK. Ramesh pushes his hand cart 50 meters south from the market. He takes U-turn करियो and pushes his cart for 25 meters. Ramesh then takes a right and pushes the cart a further 30 meters. In which direction is Ramesh with respect to the market? Option B right answer, southeast. Ajay walks out of his house. He takes his bicycle and cycle 2 kilometers west. He then turns left and cycles further 3 kilometers. He turns left again and cycles another 4 kilometers. Which direction is Ajay now from his house? Option D right answer, southeast. Three positive numbers are in the ratio 3:5, 8. Sum of these 3:5:8. Sum of whose squares is a 3528. The numbers are option C right answer 18, 30, 48. The college, the ratio of the number of boys to number of girls 8:5. If the number of girls in the college is 160, what is the total number of boys and girls in the college? Option D right answer 416. ये स्टेटमेंट अच्छी आप देखिपे स्टेटमेंट देखिए यार आंसर रही स्टेटमेंट अच्छी यार आंसर ऑप्शन सी 3. If countdown is coded as XL FM GW LW LDM, how will ENTHU SL ASM be coded? Option A right answer. Anita rides her scooter south for 7 miles from her office. She then turns left, picks up her friend, turns right and travels for 3 miles more. She then makes another right turn and rides 15 miles more to drop her friend. She then turns right and travels for 10 miles more. Which direction is she with respect to her office? So right answer, west. Computer current format. Welcome to the world of Microsoft. Required format. Welcome to the world of Microsoft. If you need to display the next in the required format, which of the following options needed to be checked in the given window? Option D right answer, title case. What is the function of plotter? Option A right answer, acts as a printer. Which of the following defines a sequence of instructions written to solve a problem? Option C right answer, program. Which among the following is an utility software? Option B right answer, disk cleanup. What is social networking site? Option A, right answer. Any website that enables users to create public profiles within that website and form relationships with the other users. Which of the following functions gives the same result as totaling a range of values and dividing the result by the number of values in the range? Option B, right answer. Average. Which of the following devices is used to send and receive computer information over a telephone line or high-speed cable? Option A, right answer. Modem. RAM full form option C अच्छी RAM means होची random access memory. आपन टैक्स रहिला RAM रा full form कोन कमेंट जणाइबे. Which among the following is an Indian digitization online service provided by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MEITY) to access the authentic documents and certificates such as driving license, vehicle registration, academic mark sheet in digital format? Option C, right answer. DigiLocker. Which of the following as a search engine? Search engine होची Bing. Option B, right answer. Child development को जो है learning curriculum and assessment. To promote meaningful learning in the classroom, a teacher should option I have help students to regulate their own emotions and motivation. Option 3 have right answer. 1 and 3 promote dialogue and discussion among children to build multiple perspectives. Which of the following is not an effective strategy to address learners from disadvantaged and deprived backgrounds? Option D, right answer. Asking the learners to enroll for tuition outside of school so that the teachers should not have to pay much attention to them. Physical and emotional health of children as their learning. Option D, right answer. Plays an important role in. It is important to create dash learning environment in the classroom rather than dash one. Option C, right answer. It is important to create a collaborative learning environment in the classroom rather than competitive one. Which of the following is an example of effective motivational strategy to encourage students to learn? Option C, right answer. Providing scaffolding, especially when students learn a new skill. Which of the following statement about children's thinking is not correct? Option D, right answer. Children cannot think of concepts on their own and the primary role of teachers is to provide information. Learning is a dash and a dash process. Learning is a complex and active process. A teacher should understand, option A, right answer, understand the social, cultural, religious and linguistic diversity in a classroom to facilitate meaningful learning. In a dash classroom, teachers adapt their pedagogy and vary assessment to cater to individual students. Option D, right answer. Progressive. Children's failure in school. Option D, right answer. Indicates that a school has not been able to cater to the needs and interests of these children. By working in groups, teaching and helping each other, children, option C, right answer, are able to reflect on their own thought process and shift to a higher level of cognitive activity. School dash socialization of children. School is a secondary agency of socialization of children. Which of the following theories proposed that children's thinking is qualitatively different from that of adults? Option C, right answer. Jean Piaget. Which of the following statement about development is correct? Option C, right answer. There is a lot of cultural diversity in the development of children. Which of the following is a major hallmark of the period of middle childhood? Option D, right answer. Development of logical thought that is concrete in nature. According to Jean Piaget, children in formative operational stage, option C, right answer, are able to hypothetical deductive reasoning and propositional thought. At which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg's theory of moral development individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensures positive human relationships and societal order. Also, the right answer, this social order maintaining orientation. During the period of childhood development, option D, right answer, is multi-layered and complex. Zone of proximal development is option C, right answer, the area between a child's current level of independent performance and the level of performance that the child could achieve with the help of adults and more skilled peers. In a progressive classroom, assessment of learners during the process of teaching learning, option B, right answer, is very important since it gives insights into children's understanding and helps the teacher to reflect on our pedagogy. Part 2 को जो है मैथमेटिक्स एंड साइंस which learning method is adopted at elementary school level? Option B, right answer, kindergarten method. Which of the following is not a characteristic of learning of mathematics? Option D, right answer, neglect the backward students. A triangle is one third the area of a trapezium. If the triangle and the trapezium are of equal of height and the base of the triangle is 20 cm, What is the length of the line segment that joins the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of the trapezium? Option B right answer 30 cm. The mean proportional between two numbers is 28 and their third proposition to them is 24. Find the two numbers which option A right answer 14 and 56. Which process is involved to identify the specific learning difficulties in mathematics? Option B right answer diagnosis. देखो in ABC त्रिभुज D is a point on BC and MABC is equal to MDSC if AD is equal to 6 cm, AC is 12 cm and CD 9 cm. Find the perimeter of ABC. So D right answer 36 cm. Who is the prisoner of taxonomy of educational objectives? Option B right answer BS Bloom. सेठी देखो एक्स देछि एवं वैल्यू देछि एक्स क्यू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x ର वैल्यू बाहर करिया पई ऑप्शन डी राइट आंसर 2 हबो द नंबर ऑफ zeros at the end of the number of obtained on multiplying 15 to the power 30 into 10 to the power 12 is हबो ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर 12 नंदो 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन सी हबो 145 which one of the following is associated with the enrichment program in its mathematics? Option A right answer students are allowed to work at their own place. 82 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर हबो आंसर ऑप्शन सी हबो क्वेश्चन 83 रो ऑप्शन देखो ऑप्शन डी हबो राइट आंसर 84 और 84 क्वेश्चन आपण माने पॉज करी देखि परिबे वीडियो को नहले अधिक लॉन्ग हे जो वीडियो सेति पई मु स्पीड रे डिस्कशन करू छी 84 रो आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी 85 रो आंसर हबो ऑप्शन ए 86 रो ऑप्शन डी हबो राइट आंसर 87 देखंतु हु इज द फॉलोइंग हु इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू देछि ऑप्शन सी राइट आंसर 88 होची ऑप्शन नंबर बी हब राइट आंसर और 89 ऑप्शन नंबर डी हब राइट आंसर 90 फॉर व्हिच कैटेगरी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन इज नेसेसरी ऑप्शन डी राइट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द अबव स्टूडेंट हबो टीचर हबो और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर भी हबो व्हिच वन डज नॉट लिंक विथ द नेचर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्शन डी राइट आंसर डिस्क्रिप्टिव द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन इज 60 देन हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर इन दैट पॉलीगॉन ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर In which method a mathematical program is divided into meaningful parts to derive at solutions? Option A right answer analysis. Option 94 option number C right answer. Mathematics is the science which draws necessary conclusions. Who said this? Option C right answer Benjamin Price. 96 answer of option B. 97 answer of option D. 98 option number A right answer. 99 option D right answer. 100 option C right answer. 101 option B right answer. 102 option A right answer. 103 option number B right answer unlogical. 104 अच्छी why was midday meal introduced in primary education? Option A right answer to give nutritional support to primary education. 105 option number C right answer. 106 option number C right answer. 107 which of the following process is not associated with metallurgy? Option B right answer catenation. 108 option C right answer. 109 which of the following does not react with the acid? Option D right answer oxygen. 110 option number option D right answer. 111 option A right answer. 112 option A right answer. 113 which has eukaryotic cell with the chlorophyll? Option B right answer Triscantia. Which adaptation can help a fish to survive in water? Option B right answer stimulant the body. Which the following is not a right attitude for the teachers? D right answer accompanying the learners as per their abilities. Out of the following which is an alloy of mercury? Option D right answer zinc amalgam. Which work is not done by transpiration in plants? Option D right answer excretion of minerals. Asteroids between Mars and Jupiter? Option D right answer revolve around the sun. If three forces equal even magnitude connecting on a body produce no result, then the angle between any two forces is option D right answer 120. Which microbe does convert alcohol to vinegar by aerobic formation? Option B right answer Acidobacter. Which the following is not a step of lesson plan? Option C right answer summary. Which is a teacher based in the observation method of science teaching? Option A right answer description of objectives. Who gave the principle of white dwarf stars? What kind of a question is this? Option A right answer knowledge based. Which statement is not applicable for black soil? Option C right answer excess manganese and iron salts in it. Which carrier was the cause of transmission of COVID-19 to take the shape of a pandemic? Option B right answer man. 126 option of B have right answer descriptive. 127 a group of cells were observed after reduction division. Which of the following does indicate the gametes of its male parental generation? Option D right answer X and Y. Which electronic configuration indicates a cation? Option B right answer 15E, 16P, 17N. 129 option A right answer. 130 option number B right answer. Aluminum has more affinity of oxygen. 131 option number B right answer. 132 option D right answer. 133 option A right answer. A B D. 134 option B right answer. 135 option C right answer. 136 which of the following is useful strategies to understand conceptual gaps in learners. A right answer using concept maps. 37 option C right answer. 38 138 option D right answer. 139 using demonstration in classroom predominantly involves learners in option C right answer visual and auditory learning. 140 option C D right answer. 141 why is a plant which doesn't have a chlorophyll, what could Y be? Option C right answer cactus. 142 option C right answer. Large intensive is wider than shorter than small intestine. Is it correct habo? Is not correct ଦେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ the pupa develops into caterpillar. এটা not correct habo, not true habo. এটা 144 ରହିଛି. 144 option D right answer. 145 ଅଛି which of the following glands in human being secretes more than 2 hormones? Option D right answer pituitary. The light rays from an object fall in a surface and get reflected in a completely diffused manner. What can you say about the nature of image of the object? Option B right answer. No image will be formed. In order to slide a huge box lying on the ground in her room, Resma should apply a force which is greater than which of the following force? Option C right answer. Static friction. 148 correct statement is option A. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Which of the following sets comprises liquids which are poor conductors of electricity? Option A right answer. Shampoo, vegetable oil, distilled water. Which of the following states comprises chemical changes? Option C right answer. Boiling or water, breaking of glass, roasting of iron. Thanks for watching.